Baking soda is a simple but versatile cleaning agent that can remove odors on furniture effectively. Sprinkling just a bit of baking soda on your bed can reduce any smells and keep it clean. The first part involves preparing the bed. So, first you need to remove the bed sheets and wash them in the washing machine. Start by stripping the bed of any sheets, blankets, or duvets. Put the bedding in the washing machine and clean them with detergent on the hottest water setting to kill germs. You should then dry them on the high heat setting to ensure there are no germs or bacteria on them. Now, vacuum up any dirt, dust, or debris on the surface of the mattress. Use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum or a powerful handheld vacuum. Make sure the nozzle is clean, as you do not want to transfer any debris onto the mattress. Vacuum the crevices, seams, and folds in the mattress to remove any surface dirt or dust. Make sure you also vacuum the sides of the mattress, as dirt and dust can collect in this area as well. Now you need to apply spot cleaner on any stains on the mattress. Use upholstery cleaner or make your own by mixing 1 teaspoon 4.9 milliliters mild dish detergent and 1 cup 240 milliliters of water in a spray bottle. Apply the spot cleaner to any stains and dab the area with a wet cloth. Most stains that are protein-based, like sweat, urine, and blood, should come off with a regular spot cleaner. Stains like red wine or coffee may be more difficult to remove and require stronger spot cleaner. Now comes the second part that involves applying the baking soda. At first, sprinkle 1 to 3 cups 240 to 710 milliliters of baking soda on the mattress. Give the mattress a liberal dusting of baking soda, especially if it has not been cleaned in a while or has a strong smell. Cover the entire surface of the mattress with an even layer of baking soda. If there is a particular area that has a strong smell, sprinkle more baking soda on it to neutralize it. Now, put the mattress in meters in direct sunlight. Moving the mattress next to a window that gets direct sunlight is ideal, as the heat from the sun can help the baking soda work more effectively. If you really want the baking soda to kick into high gear, you can place the mattress outside in direct sunlight. Make sure there is no rain in the forecast so the mattress does not get wet overnight. Now, let the baking soda sit for 24 hours. Give the baking soda time to settle in and do its job. Keep others away from the bed so it is not disturbed. Make arrangements to sleep elsewhere for the night so the baking soda can sit. Now comes the third part that involves vacuuming up the baking soda. First, use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum. This attachment will be powerful enough to remove the baking soda without damaging the surface of the mattress. You can also use a handheld vacuum with a smaller attachment head. Now, remove the baking soda with the vacuum. Make sure you run the vacuum over the seams and crevices in the mattress to ensure all the baking soda is removed. Make sure you clean the bed with baking soda 1 to 2 times a year. Get in the habit of cleaning your bed with baking soda so it stays fresh and odor-free. Do a clean with baking soda at the beginning and end of the year so dirt and dust does not build up on the surface of your bed.